Hey guys, and welcome to Nerdcast, where we nerd out about various topics. Today we are going to discuss the Apple event and recap whatever happened in that. Let us gloss over the smaller topic. तो पहला चीज हुई जो Apple Card family हुआ, yeah, good for them. It's not relatable to us at all.
Exactly.
तो उसके लिए other YouTubers will be better to educate about. The other thing is the purple iPhone, but that's हर 6 month के बाद एक नया
कलर आता है
back again in the news cycle. तो या पहले प्रोडक्ट रेड था, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट रेड ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो गया था विद द लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट. Also they said that वो स्टीव जॉब का फेवरेट कलर था, तो it's to commemorate the 10 years of whatever his death and whatever. So yeah, that's another thing. Let us move to the real part of the event. Also Apple TV 4K का upgrade, so that's also minimal, it's good, but ठीक है.
That was expected actually. इतना बहुत बड़ा है.
HDR वगैरह का support, या क्योंकि already जब Apple के कैमरा Dolby Vision support करे, तो obviously they have to support that. But yeah, that's another thing. Let us start with the first major product, that was AirTag.
AirTags, yes.
So to define AirTag, basically वो it's like a tile, और जो पहले tile था और Samsung के अपने tag थे, it's basically something that you can attach it to a product that you have, and it basically helps you locate that product if you lost it or something like that. So the thing is, what they surprised me with, it's pricing, because
actually
it's substantially less than tile, Samsung or any other product right now.
नहीं actually, so getting into the thing, ये tiles normally भी available है for less bucks. Not these kind of tiles are available in cheaper in India, I guess.
Okay.
बाहर में भी नहीं है, but उसकी मतलब उसका जो changes है, so tiles basically GPS है जो तुझे locate करने में मदद करता है. So if you lose your keys or your luggage, it locates your keys or luggage by that tag. It is there's even a thing called Tile which does this, and उसका भी इतना ही सस्ता, इससे सस्ता है. But the thing that I liked is यहाँ पे जो उन्होंने Apple iPhone के साथ pairing किया है जो, so there are two things that they showed you that can be possible. एक तो कि Bluetooth से connect होने के बाद if you are in that radius, वो exact location बताता है with the arrow.
So ultra wideband chip जो उन्होंने iPhone 11 से चालू किया था.
Yes.
Yeah.
So and the second thing that they have done is, अगर यही कहीं किसी जगह लूज हो जाता है, यहाँ पे let's say एक लगेज का बैग है, एक छोटा सा पर्स है, and it gets lost into a garden. तो वो गार्डन के यहाँ पे हमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि एग्जैक्ट वही लोकेशन है या नहीं. But what this AirTag does is it connects to multiple iPhones.
Yeah, so it basically utilizes the 1.5 billion Apple product in the market right now.
Yes, and they just locate it with the GPS location and every time update it in your My Device, Find My Device.
Find My Device, yeah.
So वो एक बहुत बड़ा है.
And another thing is if it is using the other devices don't know that it's being used to locate it, because privacy. And one more really good thing that I found, suppose someone wants to track me, so if they hide that their AirTag in my bag or something, so what they have done is, if an AirTag that is away from the original owner of the product, and it starts moving, then it will automatically locate
the other people.
Firstly, it will notify me, it will tell me that there is an AirTag around you that are trying to an AirTag moving around with you. Now if you know about it, suppose तुमने दोस्त की गाड़ी ली और गाड़ी में एक AirTag रखा हुआ है for its location, so then you can dismiss the notification. I know that मेरे पास वो AirTag पड़ा हुआ है. If you not, then you can stop that AirTag from locating you. So yeah, ये छोटे छोटे privacy focus वो अच्छा लिया. But मेरे हिसाब से what actually is the target for Apple is not this. It's not about the AirTag. So the thing is, for the last 2 years, जब से ये Find My का ऐप उन्होंने निकाला था, they have started expanding this ecosystem. तो उन्होंने what they have done is, I don't remember the exact product, but there are e-bikes, and then there are AirTag जैसे ही, मतलब Tile जैसे ही products है from other companies like VanMoof और Belkin के earbuds, all of these have also started to apply for being this in the Find My ecosystem, and उनको वो certification एक बार ही मिल जाता है, तो you can locate those products through that ecosystem. what AirTag is basically, it's a boost to that Find My ecosystem. कि once people start using this more and more product would start. So Apple wants to be the one be all end all app for any product you have.
Yeah.
Like कोई भी product हो उसको ढूंढना है, बेशक वो Apple हो या ना हो. And the target is कि जो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आईफोन का सेकेंडरी रेवेन्यू क्या है जो मेड फॉर आईफोन सर्टिफिकेशन होते हैं, लाइक फॉर लाइटनिंग केबल और समथिंग. जो मेड फॉर एप्पल लाइक फाइंड माई की जो सर्टिफिकेशन है दैट यू हैव टू गेट योर प्रोडक्ट सर्टिफाइड, उसकी लाइसेंसिंग फीस, दैट इज द मेजर फ्यूचर रेवेन्यू इन माय ओपिनियन, नॉट एयर टैग. लाइक एयर टैग को तुमने सस्ता करके यू बेसिकली गॉट एवरीवन
on board,
everyone on board. Yeah, get everyone used to this ecosystem, and then other brands would want to get into that ecosystem.
Yeah, there उनका तो revenue system define होगा फिर अभी.
Exactly. So that and one
even pricing is just an amazing thing कि $29 में उन्होंने निकाला है. The basic version is for $29, which can go towards about $500. जो
वो
मतलब that is
it's that अरे तो that basically the thing is Hermes is a brand that is always like Apple Watch के brands होगा, तो it's like it's just an accessory. The actual product is just $30. तो
yeah, that's true.
And also India जैसे market में तो like you can just like वो क्या बोलते हैं कॉपी के केस तो $1200 के मिल जाएंगे.
That is
so it's not even a thing anymore like India के लिए. So it in a way, so that was a good, like actually the thing is I have been waiting for the product to launch for 2 years because जब से U1 chip iPhone में डाला था तब से it was expected to come and source code वगैरह में लीक होते जा रहा था 2 साल से.
हाँ 2 साल से चल रहा था. Actually this was I guess last year का plan था ये.
Yeah, but I think pandemic or something के कारण नहीं चला. Now let us move to the second product of the day, that was the iMac.
Yes.
Now there have been like बहुत positive तो बहुत negative है, but a lot has been said about the looks of it.
Yeah.
तब मेरे हिसाब से like there are two big major things. Like if you go outside and you look at a Mercedes, उसका एक specific look है and they don't tend to deviate from it year over year. बहुत slow changes करते हैं but they try to stick to that design so that दूर से recognizable हो. ठीक है. Now look at a Maruti product. From a Celerio you cannot distinguish like an Ignis, and दोनों इतने अलग है कि you cannot even see that it's a Maruti product.
Yeah.
Brand cohesion is an important thing and Apple really focuses on that. तो जब उन्होंने जो नया iMac निकाला, making the chin bezel still be there, it's still something कि दूर से देख के you'll be like okay that's an Apple product. And
that is one thing that you can do, but ये भी हो सकता है कि अच्छा if you take off the chin, obviously ऐसे तो
it looks like any other monitor on the market.
नहीं. So if you see the iPhone, iPhone में they had a button.
Yeah.
That was the iPhone's whole thing that इसको button है.
Yeah.
Now if you take that off, if you took the chin off, right?
Yeah.
So now you move to a certain thing where now Apple के लिए so if you recognize Apple, you don't recognize it by the So ये भी तो यहाँ पे कर सकते थे. That's and the chin is, I mean, ठीक है, I didn't mind the chin, but उनके so basically अगर if they wanted to take off that chin, I guess MKBHD told this in the video where there's space over there जहाँ पे ऊपर जगह है या फिर वो बढ़ा सकते थे. It is just flat screen now, right?
Yeah.
It is just like an iPad.
Yeah.
तो iPad वहाँ पे लगा है ऐसा लगता है वो. But it doesn't matter how thick the monitor is.
Yeah, it doesn't. But actually, the another thing is like I'm looking in the from a brand view. मेरे को पता है वो उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but I'm thinking कि like I'm playing the devil's advocate here.
Useful. It is. I mean, I liked it, but it's
the thing is अगर iMac की वो देखोगे like over the year, तो उसका एक ट्रेंड बना है कि हमेशा वो पतला रहा है. पिछली बार से एक फोटोग्राफ like when you look at the original iMac CRT वाला to now, वो iMac G3 जो था, remember the colorful one?
Yes.
वहां से शुरू करके तो it was always like वो एक इमेज उन्हें हमेशा रही है कि every generation has been thinner than the last one. अगर वो अचानक से made if they had made that one thicker, वो पूरी एक cohesion खत्म हो जाती है.
नहीं, but now you can't make the thing thinner than this next year.
Well, वो अब depend करता है ना what they do.
Eventually it won't go any thinner from that thing कि अच्छा एक certain point के बाद वो thin नहीं होता जाएगा.
Yeah,
you
but
know you have to innovate. Anyways, you have to.
But iMac is something तो iMac something जो 7 to 8 years तो वैसे ही रहते हैं. Like 7 years पहले तो last generation last design आया था, तो iMac ये next.
I don't think इसका actually design का इतना issue नहीं है. I just find it कि अच्छा इतना जरूरी नहीं था. I don't mind कि वो design it's good enough.
Yeah.
ऐसा ही नहीं है कि उसका design का बहुत फर्क पड़ रहा है. It is just a small change that you need.
Change, yeah.
Just the
other
chin
thing
is
the other thing is कि this is a replacement of the 21.5 inch iMac.
हाँ.
The 21.5 inch iMac normally is the family desktop या dormitory या मतलब hostel room में रखने वाला, like not in India but generally that kind of an iMac. It's not a power user iMac. And logo का like people kind of try to talk about like M1 chip inside being in there, like not an M1X or something. But in my opinion, you are replacing a dual core i3 with that.
Yeah.
Originally, it was a dual core i3 with a 5400 RPM hard drive. That was the specification of that iMac. At least they have made it. And also the other thing is M1 is more than sufficiently fast enough for a day-to-day user and even not even a pro user. Like if it can edit 8K video, I don't think one want more than that power in that.
नहीं, अगर power चाहिए, so I guess there's the second version वो जो बड़ा वाला है, that is like 27 inches MacBook.
Yeah, so that's what I'm expecting कि by fall or something of WWDC or something, that would be the one that would get the major upgrade, you know.
I hope so. I mean, if they don't take that off with something like M1X.
Yeah.
So अगर वो नहीं आता,
they have to.
They have to obviously. But if it wouldn't make sense if they don't.
Yeah.
So अगर उन्होंने वो time पे if they don't release M1X.
Yeah.
And they put the same chip in the bigger version.
Yeah. So obviously, तभी तो that's why when they release the MacBook Pro, they release only the 13-inch one with the M1 chip.
Yeah.
Not the 15-inch one, because 15-inch one is again the Pro device.
Pro device, yeah, obviously.
Yeah, so I think that is slated for M1X launch also. Okay. Because the thing is, M1 का एक limitation is also there that about the ports. Like it cannot support more than 4 Thunderbolt 4.
Yeah.
So I think that limitation will also get away, and वो सब उसके they are waiting कि वो जब M1X बनाएंगे with expected around 16 to 32 cores. Yeah. So yeah, that is what going to be the ultimate powerful machine. But considering that already way more powerful than any Ryzen machine you can buy right now. Yeah. Not in the budget, even more than the budget. Like your $3,000 ka Ryzen machine, and that will be slower than this. That's the funniest thing. Based on like I'm talking about the compute process, not the
M1 chip. So the M1 chip is already proven. Ki, like even I was a person who wouldn't shift to MacBook at a certain point where I just got a MacBook last month.
Yeah.
And MacBook Air M1 chip, and it has been amazingly fast. And I simply love it.
Yeah. So another point that people, so I'm thinking this is like such a good like strategy for Apple, because right now there is a shortage and crisis of chips in the market. Like silicon की पूरी shortage चल रही, crisis चल रही है.
2022 तक जाएगा, I guess.
Yeah, and if they have to make only one chip, तो only एक fabrication unit चलानी है एक system पे, तो they don't have to work around on like making more SKU. So मेरे ख्याल से getting the iMac, and one we'll discuss about the iPad Pro. So literally every device is running one single chip. And that it makes the supply chain. This is like such a good strategy for supply chain, because they don't have to like run around like asking Intel or AMD for the chips or something. And unka already chip ban raha hai, it's a proven chip. So it's like the perfect strategy. Another thing, what I was talking about, the family computer, the dormitory computer, that's why it's colorful also. Because तुम घर के लिविंग रूम में अगर कोई पीसी रखोगे, you would want it to match the aesthetics of the room.
This is a dicey decision anyways. So it is a person and your point of view अलग रहेगा. But I think when you're using a PC, सामने वाले जो colors है, like let's say the chin यहाँ पे color है, बाकी सब तो white bezels है.
Yeah, white bezels.
When you see it from the front, but वो जो chin है, वो colorful अगर हो तो that is a distraction in a monitor. So that's why we usually use a black monitor. White monitor usually use भी नहीं करते.
Yeah.
Which is again I'm getting to a point where they made their bezels white rather than black. क्योंकि black is not a color which attracts you. White easily attract करता है.
Yeah. So that's the banana, like that.
Exactly.
That's the point. Yeah.
So this is when you are on a PC, using a PC or something, you want to concentrate on the things that are on the screen rather than outside the screen. So that is one point of view where I think कि अच्छा इसका कोई जरूरत नहीं था. Obviously some people might like it बाकी के लोग
But like
सिल्वर लेंगे या व्हाइट लेंगे.
it calls back to the older iMac. Remember the iMac that had like the base station के ऊपर एक
हाँ, the actual
that was
CRT version.
not the CRT के बाद वाला जो आया था जिसमें
बाद
नीचे
वाला,
बेस था and ऊपर like a stand के ऊपर एक iMac होता था.
iMac, yes.
The gold base के ऊपर तो and those also had white borders and everything because they were not pro machine. Like pro machine I get it because color grading के लिए you need black bezels and everything. But for general day-to-day consumer use, you're not focusing on the bezels or anything. Like you have to just open mail का जवाब देना है and just day-to-day usage के लिए. And I think to fit it with the room, like किसी का कमरा like everything else is like burgundy or purple or something, and you can just match it with that color combination. I think that's a good idea for in that sense. I would say.
I guess that's where I object the things. He usually not like अच्छा मुझे when I get a PC, when I get a iMac, I don't find कि अच्छा मुझे इससे साथ match करना है. 90% of the users won't be thinking about matching their room colors.
They won't be because पहले options नहीं थे. That's the thing.
नहीं अभी भी even
you have a silver also option if you don't.
Obviously that's what I think. कि अगर let's say even I buy a PC, I create a PC. I don't think of the aesthetics.
You don't, but people do that कि RGB का matching color so that it matches. Then
नहीं, but matching. So matching colors. तो पूरा PC नहीं लेगा just for matching your colors. That is 10% of the users hardly.
Yeah.
10% of the whole iMac users, I'm saying. Which would do that.
It's an option. You can buy the.
It's an option. Yeah, exactly.
Like it's not like they're taking away something. That's what
I just figured out कि अच्छा black bezels चाहिए थे. That's the only fault that I found out there.
वो अगर black कर देते,
नहीं, that is then color के साथ
same नहीं that thing. But वो silver वाला iMac लो जो अभी launch हुआ है, put the black bezels around, it would look like the older iMac with the Apple logo.
That doesn't really matter. It was a perfect design anyways.
Yeah, पुराना वाला iMac like with apart from like really big bezel, it was like really like iconic design iMac का इसीलिए रहा ना, like you can look at any place and like
it is this is an iMac. So that's what we do कि अच्छा इसमें से थोड़ा thin bezels and you just do it with a black thing. That's what I figured out कि अच्छा ये कम था बस. बाकी it is a good then they didn't change anything much. That M1 chip ही बस जो power कर रहा है, which is a powerful chip anyways.
But at least those people who were using the older generation iMac, उनके लिए एक अच्छा upgrade है. That's what I'm saying. To a new M1 based iMac like which is way more powerful than any of the other machine that ever used.
True.
लेकिन अगर 21 and 24 inch one iMac, not the
even if you are thinking कि अच्छा चलो पहले वाले PC में I mean it was an i3 right? So i3 में ऐसे क्या ही करते थे जो अभी M1 में करना है.
But the thing is that the people get used to the slowness of the device, but अचानक से जब when they will see the new thing and they will see that okay मेरा काम रुक रहा था, like what tends to happen that we tend to reduce our productivity based on the device itself.
And that depends on how you use it. अच्छा so इसमें productivity ज़्यादा है भी नहीं. I mean the iMac जो छोटा version it is as you said कि it is a DOM PC or something. So वैसे भी इसमें इतना ये नहीं है. So upgrading from the last version to here is I don't think is makes us good sense.
Like 21.5 inch वाला iMac था, that was a 1080p display. You are upgrading to a 4.5 inch display. You get a better movie watching experience. Again, DOM वगैरह के लिए better.
नहीं, that depends on if you want to spend $1,300.
Yeah, but that's the thing. It's also actually I was looking at the what you call value for money aspect of it. A Mac Mini is $700.
Yeah.
A 4K display of the similar caliber is $500. You are getting at the same price.
Yeah.
And you're getting that in a simpler, smaller body than a 4K display को तुमने Mac Mini की तरह.
So upgrade करने के लिए अलग बात है, नया लेने के लिए अलग बात है. So upgrade करने के लिए I won't suggest, but नया लेने के लिए obviously this is bang for the buck.
Yeah.
And
but now I want to talk about the biggest, like what you call biggest product that launched.
Yeah.
पहली बात तो the ad, the way the Tim Cook वो इज्जत अंदर घुस के इज्जत, you know, that proved that the only person who can break into Apple is Tim Cook himself. But yeah, that was like it was surprising for me. Like वो क्या, it wasn't.
It was an amazing ad though.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, the production of it.
वो तो production तो पूरे event का production, like कहाँ हम Samsung और OnePlus के event देखते हैं, like why can't you just do something better? Like this is so much.
Even the size of the company matters, right? Obviously OnePlus है. Samsung, let's say I agree. OnePlus इतना नहीं है जितना obviously, and not even 1/10 of the whole company.
Yeah.
but yeah, that's there. And well,
The
we
product,
can't, yeah,
so
we-
the like, so basically right now, if you have an iPad Pro, the new one, you will have the most powerful device in your home,
yeah,
the best display in a device at your home, and the most like overall machine, like, you know, a keyboard, pointer, mouse, touch, pen,
yeah.
all input, single device. Like, it's like one of the perfect be all end all device one can have right now. What I am saying is this time hardware has moved ahead of the software.
Yeah, so yeah, because even like it has a OS that is just for iPad, right?
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, that maybe that's what Apple is, because right now iPad has the Photoshop and everything now.
Yeah, yeah.
So the thing is, what I am waiting for, and this is what I'm hoping by WWDC, Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro,
Yeah.
and
अगर वो आ जाए तो so
these
even
these three are the major like
Yeah.
point of,
and
because now it's the
these
same
apps
chip.
can be cross-platform, right?
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm saying.
That is
Now
the
it's the
biggest
same
thing.
chip. So now they can also, the one who is developing for macOS can develop for iPad also. Like,
Yeah.
it's simple. So that's what the entire point of it. And now with, like, I was listening to Linus also. Like, he was also said that literally the best HDR capable device right now is an iPad Pro. Like 1600 nits ke max brightness on that device. Like, it's unheard of. 2500 dimming zone. Like, like मैंने QLED TV अभी खरीदा, like that had that 25 dimming zone. Like, तो वहाँ से mini LED technology is like so extremely so ahead of its time. So this is what, like, normally क्या होता था when people used to release the devices or something, people used to be like, you know, मेरे software के लायक hardware नहीं बना है.
हाँ.
It's the opposite.
अभी
right?
it's exactly, ये hardware के लायक software नहीं है.
नहीं है.
It is they just got the whole MacBook Air or MacBook thing into the this thing iPad, right?
iPad, right? Yeah.
So now they have the biggest hardware that they did, the biggest hardware change that it did into the into something that is transportable.
Yeah. Also,
Which is
best
so-
connectivity. It has 5G and Thunderbolt.
Exactly. And they converted that into 5G is the biggest part that they have
Yeah.
done. I mean, well, not in India, let's say, but it's still a huge leap from
What I would say is,
what that.
so now what Thunderbolt input आ गया. Remember that Sony released that $2,000 का phone?
Okay.
Sony released the $2,000 का Xperia 1 Mark II. What
Okay.
basically it is, it's basically a regular Xperia 1.
Okay, yeah, you can
with an HDMI input.
yes. It's
Just
the
so
same
that you
thing
can
because-
stream with the camera on a 5G.
Yeah.
You have a cheaper device in the form of an iPad. You can connect it via your camera
your
via Thunderbolt, and you can stream wherever you are.
You can even this thing. You can connect to a HD or a 4K display direct to
6K
Thunderbolt.
display also.
Yeah,
you can
exactly.
connect to the 6K जो Apple का जो 6K monitor
Display
है,
है, हाँ.
connect to that, and you can have. So what I am thinking is, Apple is not moving toward making one device for everything, but moving towards synergy between multiple devices. For
Yeah,
example, if I have an iPad Pro that has an HDR display and I have a MacBook, मैं sidecar से iPad पे I can look at the output while I can edit on the Final Cut Pro.
Yes.
Or it's like you can use the what they are trying to do is not, instead of just using some hardware, use the hardware of both the machine and you can use them in synergy. So iPad के अपने apps हो, Mac के अपने apps हो, but both of them can work together. That's something
So
that I think
connectivity-
that might,
Connectivity throughout the board. So like even the connectivity between iPad and an iPhone. So it's again the ecosystem they have built.
yeah,
And the ecosystem is making your devices so connected with each other that you don't need anything else.
Yeah.
कि मतलब, let's say like even the older things, like if I'm watching something on my iPad or surfing on my iPad, I can watch that on my MacBook.
or
Directly,
iPhone, like it
yeah.
automatically
Yeah, exactly. And वो एक बहुत फर्क पड़ रहा है. And now they are going into the whole thing कि अच्छा full fledged हमें यही करना है. We have the devices, we have perfected the devices right now.
Yeah.
Now we just need to perfect the connectivity, even with the hardware and the software.
Yeah.
Software में बहुत सा था, but hardware में नहीं था.
नहीं था. Yeah.
Now they are moving towards it, and I like the fact that lightning port नहीं है.
Yeah. So
For that,
Thunderbolt, it's a Thunderbolt.
Thunderbolt, yeah. So like,
Yeah.
so I just hope that अभी वो iPhone का change होके Now
that's the thing that iPhone में they are not removing the lightning because they are planning to remove the ports altogether.
Yeah. That's true.
So,
but till then, I guess this would be a better option to just
यार वो
have
चेंज करेंगे ना, the casual users are going to revolt again.
Yeah.
आज टाइम जब iPhone का चेंज हुआ था, iPhone 4 का, like I remember, like अभी तक लोग बोलते हैं कि वो पोर्ट चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Remember the 24 pin,
the magnetic pin वाला ये.
हाँ जो था, and वो अभी तक बोलते, तो like एक बार भी जब भी पोर्ट चेंज करते हैं, like everyone is like मेरे पूरे accessories and everything are based around that.
No, sir. The thing is now, see, like I am a user where I use MacBook, my OnePlus 8T, and even my iPad.
Yeah.
So I need to carry 2 wires with that.
Yeah.
So just because of that, अगर मैं यही change करूँ, तो मैं ये सब कुछ change करूँ, I have USB-C charger for everything.
Yeah.
That's the best part that I can have.
Yeah.
तो ये अगर कर दिया, because I don't carry my my Apple MacBook charger with me every day. I just carry one charger which is for my phone, and it charges both my phone and my laptop. This is the best thing that I have done. And अभी मेरे headphones भी USB-C है, so that is also helpful for me. Just that I have an iPad, that's the reason I have to carry a Thunderbolt cable. So ये जरा weird लगता है बस.
That's the only thing कि मेरा भी यही है कि the only device that I have to put a wire into is my iPad. बाकी तो वायरलेस चार्जिंग, लाइक एयरपॉड्स हो गए, फोन हो गया, एवरीथिंग वायरलेस चार्जिंग पे आ गया हूँ. तो आई मूव्ड ऑन टू दैट बिकॉज इट्स सेफर एंड इट्स लाइक लॉन्गर लास्टिंग फॉर योर डिवाइस आल्सो. फास्ट चार्जिंग बार बार नहीं करनी पड़ रही, तो या इट्स मच बेटर फॉर.
It is true. Even this I like abhi if you are carrying a MacBook, then that's not a possibility.
Yeah, that's not a possibility. Yeah.
But this the universal port of anything is what I am looking into for my benefit.
Yeah.
It's not like कि मेरा MacBook है, तो MacBook के लिए दूसरा चार्जर लगेगा. One of
it's
my
the same
friends
USB-C.
Yeah. So same USB-C it doesn't matter then.
Yeah.
And that is the best thing I have so far noticed. And just because it is USB-C, तो मेरा पावर बैंक से भी चार्ज हो सकता है.
हाँ, हो सकता है, exactly. Yeah. So, like that's the perfect thing. Like I'm also thinking of getting a 20,000 mAh का power bank, so that like everything I can charge with that same thing.
Yeah, exactly. So portability का पूरा क्वेश्चन ही खत्म हो जाता है. Even your phone, your MacBook, everything can be charged that way.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the one reason that I'm doing this is I am having these kind of chargers.
Yeah.
Just because I have all these devices like iPad. So especially for iPad, I do this, that I have a wire like this. And I guess that's the only thing that I would expect from Apple to change. That's it.
Yeah. So overall, I think it's like a really like surprising and good event, right? I wasn't expecting that many products. I was like कि maybe AirTags आ जाएंगे और you know new cover or
AirTags तो last expected था. Last year expected था, and even the phone was expected actually.
Yeah. The phone क्योंकि वो 6 month refresh करना ही करना.
Yeah.
See, iMac होता है because iMac normally it's like a WWDC thing.
Yes, exactly.
So like it's a great surprise. I was like कि maybe you know a new iPad तो था because there is always a March event, March April में there's always an iPad event like last few years से. But this is the first time that they didn't upgrade the Air or the regular iPad. Which because they upgraded that last year November में they upgraded.
Yes. It hasn't been a long time. अभी तक तो लोग ले रहे हैं नया.
So now what I will say is कि Air और Pro में finally दोबारा distinction आ गया.
Finally that it wasn't there at all.
Yeah, so like last year, like when iPad Air released, I was like iPad Air is faster than iPad Pro now.
Yeah.
Because it has A12Z versus A12X. So now it's like back to, you know, sorry, it has A14X instead of and A12Z. So yeah. That's
A12Z Pro में था.
Yeah. So finally like अब वापस distinction आ गया. Pro can go for the Pro device and Air can, like, not Air can go for, like people can go for
the Air device.
Yeah. So I think that's it.
Yeah, that's
I think it's an overall positive event. Like let's hope कि WWDC में whatever the new macOS and iOS releases come, I think that brings up more cohesion, and I would hope, like fingers crossed, for Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Xcode to come to the iPad.
Yeah. Totally.
Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next episode.